like the traditional sitting room where the kids didn't, kids don't go in the sitting room. And kids have other rooms to play in. But the reason I'm connecting these two rooms is because through this casement between dining room and living room, we would stretch the Thanksgiving table, would come through that casement. There's a picture, I don't remember, there's a picture on one of the back tables that shows one of the early Thanksgivings, and it's not when I was there. It was always by age, so my grandfather was at the head of the table. And guess who was at the other end of the table? So I was looking right down the table, and I was probably seated just about here, looking at my grandfather at the far end of the table. And that was really a wonderful time where you learned how to dialogue. Well, it's similar to that.
Yeah, but that's a picnic.
These pictures are all about family gathering, and family is really important, and that's one of the reasons I wanted to throw them in. Game playing was huge. So as we moved to game playing, actually, I've got an idea. Okay. Let's see how we can do this quickly. Why don't you? Oh, they're on the clipboards. Wonderful. Okay. Here's what you get to do. You get to play this game. Because game playing was so important. I'm just going to ask you to, this group right here, right by the fireplace, and the 6 of you right here, you might want to move up. Somebody in your group needs to have a pen. You got a pen? Right here. And why don't you group together across here. And then I'm going to give another one to this side in the back. And over here. All right. Now, what you need to do quickly, I'm going to give you 2 minutes. You have a lot of, you need to dialogue together. I'm just telling you, this is how we interacted, all right? So I'm giving you a personal look. I'm giving you, how many of you smelled rolls when you walked in?
Oh, yeah.
Yep. How many of you tasted the brewer's yeast? I'm giving you all of your senses here. So we're gonna play this game, and I'm just gonna show you what it's like to be a Nimick. So just gather up, circle up, and see if you can answer some of these questions. You have 2 minutes.
It's just the same.